Welcome to the digital how to. Today we're gonna check how to change the pane size in Google Docs. Okay, so in order to change the page size in a Google Doc, all you have to do is go to the page where you have to change the size in the doc, and you have to go up top and click on the file option on the menu bar, and under that, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the page setup. You have to click on page setup. Here on the pages, you see the option to you can apply it to the selected page. That is, if you're on page 1 of your document, do you want the entire document to be of the same size, or do you want a specific page on a doc to be of different size? You could choose that in this drop down box. And then you have an option of orientation. You can either keep it portrait, or either you can keep it landscape. For now, I'm going to just keep it on portrait. So here is where the options are there for you to customize the margins. So first, what you have to do is you have to just decide on what size you want, and based on that you can give the sizes. For now, I'm just going to give on the top, say I would want 3.5, and the bottom I want 3.5. These are the margins, right? This is a margin of the size. And then on the left I want, say, 5, and on the right I want 5. So this determines the margin of the space. So within this, let's consider this as a A4 sheet, and then you fix margins here basically. So that is what this page setup you do. If you want to once you select this, you can click on OK, or if you want to try it on landscape, you can click on landscape, and then it changes to landscape. So that's it, very easy. Thank you so much.